Well, I'll pray the breaking news is that Kumasi Asante Kotoko are boycotted Asempa FM. And what it means is that we're banning Asempa FM from covering any Kumasi Asante Kotoko event. Details and more no our hammer they brought on the Super 24 TV also. But on the screen is we Adaroma, a very EK Wallace. Na sada no bid name sana EK Wallace. Wakosi Sirio, so I you what a radio so kick the same boy say. Pole wood wish you much as a you could get to cry no shiwi na then never too steady. Kotoko say Asempa FM for not na homas and some way cause or moon can hear no. Ya bani or mo cry. Kotoko say omudini Asempa ni live beer for immediate release. Or say the management of Asante Kotoko Sporting Club with immediate effect boycotted channels of Asempa FM indefinitely and has banned the media channel from covering any organized activities of this club from March 3rd, 2025. Wase Kotoko boycotted Asempa FM. Asempa FM from move to omumra interview omonko. Ena oma bane Asempa FM say master Kotoko ye bibia he no man be gina wase mu be cover. Montie ni ye. Mo ye ni mu ni live ya. Okay. And also the decision follows the blatant disregard for professionalism's journalistic ethics and integrity displayed by Professor E.K. Wallace and the broader management of Asempa FM. What's the way, no? The entire say, in Semuna Wallace could be, no, any management of Asempa FM also asset on concern. Let us add the neighbor shall say, I'm away, and I'm going to go get Zemunu in the Muni Libya. Also, upon thorough scrutiny and of the descriptive sports program hosted by E.K. Wallace on Asempa FM, the club has established the following. Ose Kotoko, after studying, must study who say Sanyo Maui and a course. Ose the said program was a deliberate orchestrated to serve the agenda of shielding individuals connected to the gruesome murder. Ose, adi omo huni say program no show no nyina na e agenda bi na no person omo de cover you nipa no and so and also the management of Asempa FM ought to have known better because a more platform na no mo de be sade no e na omo jai ni nyina na nsem hunu no ekoso. Also the program lasted approximately 17 minutes during which reckless and false statements were propagated. Also 17 minutes program what to man carry. Also neither the host or the management of Asempa FM disclosed the content of the program to Ghana police or say host any Asempa FM nyano. Munim say more information be say man farmer Ghana police. Or say Asempa FM deliberately ignored the sensitivity and the gravity of this matter, displaying gross irresponsibility. So and also say Asempa FM has undermined the work of security service and the judiciary. Asempa FM undermine this annual money. As to date, no disciplinary action has been taken against Incentroni, on an Namho station so no Bekano. Ose Kotoko has observed the growing notoriety permitting the use of abusive language on their platform. Ose Kotoko who's Asempa FM for na obetere sana na Kotoko edge omo supporters se munye camp. No omo de mrano na ye adwuma. Radio for any free but in sim hunu na yen so Asempa FM body ya ban mo.